In this video, I'm going to talk about Google Passkeys, how to create and how to use the Google Passkey. In a short form, Google Passkey allows you to log in into your Google account with your fingerprint, Face ID or your screen lock without having to enter your Google account password. Before you can use the Google Passkey, you must first have logged in into your Google account on that device with your password, so that the next time you use that device, you easily log in using your passkey. I'm going to show you how you can do this on your mobile phone and your computer, so that you can easily add devices you want to use your Google Passkey on. On your mobile phone, you want to go to Settings, scroll to your account section and tap on Google. Tap on Manage your Google account. And here you want to scroll till you see Security. Tap on Security and scroll to where you can see how you sign in into Google. Here you see Passkey and Security key. Tap on Passkey and Security keys. So your device will ask for your fingerprint, face or screen lock. You must first have set up a lock on your phone before you can use the Google Passkey. Tap on Continue. Now tap on Use Screen Lock. So it depends on what you have set up as an authenticator on your device. Unlock with your preferred authentication and your device will be enabled for Google Passkey. Here you can manage all the passkeys you have created. You can rename by giving a passkey name, and you can also remove a passkey from your device on this page. To do this on your computer, you can click on your profile. Here you're going to see Manage your Google account. Click on this and now click on Security. On the security page, scroll to how you sign in into Google. And here you see passkeys and security keys. You can click on this to follow through with signing into your account and creating a passkey for that device. How to use a passkey? First, I'm going to show you how to use your passkey to sign in into a device from another device, and how you can sign into your device with a passkey from that same device. If you have your passkey set up, you will always get a passkey option. Click on Try Another Way, and here you see Use Your Passkey. Click on Use Your Passkey and click on Continue. Now you get a QR code that you can use to log in into this device with your passkey. Scan this QR code with the device that has the passkey you want to use for your Google account, and this will sign you into your Google account. The second way you can use the Google Passkey, when you click on Continue, and here you will see this hello window which allows you to use your device password to log in into your Google account. Now click on your device and you'll be able to enter your PIN or use a security key. Enter your PIN and you'll be signing into your Google account. So thank you guys for watching this video on Google Passkey, how to create and how to use the Google Passkey, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video.